What if you could create a children's storybook in just a few minutes without writing or illustrating? Sounds too good to be true, right? But you can do this easily using two tools from Gravity Write. And the best part is, you can sell these books online on platforms like Amazon and start making money from it. Hi, I'm Jill from Gravity Write, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an entire storybook from start to finish. We will be covering everything from generating the story to creating images and designing the book, all by using AI. So without any further ado, let's get started. To create our storybook, we are going to do 3 simple steps. The first step is to create the story for our book. You can do this easily by using a tool from Gravity Write called Kids Storybook Content Generator. So just go to gravitywrite.com. In the categories section, scroll down and you will find book writing. Select it. And here, click on Kids Storybook Content Generator. Now, you have to enter the following details to generate the story for our book. Enter the title of your story. Then select the type of the story and the reader's age. After that, you can enter the number of characters you want in your story or specify their names. And at last, enter the number of pages, that is, how long you want your book to be. In this tool, you can create maximum of 10 pages. Once you are done, click on Create Content. We have got the full content for our storybook. As you can see, we have got the title of the book, the front cover image prompt, and the page-wise content. Additionally, we have also got the image prompt for each page, and if you scroll down, you will also see that we have got the image prompt for the back cover too. Amazing, right? We will use these prompts to create the images we need for our book. Okay, so the content for our storybook is ready. Now, the next step is to generate images for our storybook. For this, we will use another tool from Gravity Write called AI Image Generator. So, just go to the AI Image Generator in the sidebar, right-click on it, and select Open in the new tab. First, let's generate the cover image of our book. Copy the prompt of the cover image from here and go to the AI Image Generator tab and paste the prompt. Select the aspect ratio and the quality of the image. As it's a book cover, let's select the style preset as design and click on Generate Image. As you can see, we have got our cover image. The best part is that the text on the image is also correct. You can click here to download your image and it will be downloaded to your computer. Now, as this is a storybook, we have to create consistent characters for each image. For this, we have an amazing feature in Gravity Write that will help you create similar looking images. Let me show you how it works. Just click on Remix option. And here we will paste the prompt of the first page image. So go to the previous tab. Copy the image prompt for the first page. And paste it in the tool. Click on Generate and your image will get ready. Now, if we compare it with the previous image we got, the style and the characters look similar. So, in the same way, you can generate images for each page of your storybook. Okay, so now we have got the story and the images for our storybook. The last step is to combine them and design pages for our storybook. To do that, just click on the link in the description box and you will be taken to Canva. With this tool, we can easily design our pages and make our storybook look good. So, click on Start Designing and log in with your Google account. To design the pages, just search for Storybook here. Then, click here. You will get multiple templates to choose from. But let's create a brand new design. So, click on Create Blank and we will get a blank page. This is where we are going to design the pages. First, let's bring in all the images that we generated. So go to Uploads and upload all the images like this. Now, let's start with creating our cover page. To do that, just click on the cover image and it will appear here. Now, to make it fill the page, just click here and select Set Image as background. Your cover page is ready. Next, let's design the first page of our storybook. Click on Add Page and a new page will appear. Let's change the color of the page to make it look more attractive. To do that, just click here and select the color you want. Now, let's add the image for the first page. Just go to Uploads and click on the image. Just adding the images like this doesn't look good. So, to make it more attractive, we will add a frame. Go to Elements, search for frame and click on See All. As you can see, we have many options to choose from. Just select the one you like. Now drag the image onto the frame like this. Once the image is gone inside the frame, we will adjust it like this. This looks much better, right? Now let's add some text to the image. To do that, go to Text, click on Add a Text Box, and now we will paste the content that we generated earlier. So go back to the tab, copy the content, then come back to Canva and paste it here. If you want, you can change the font of the text from here. So we have added the image and the text content for our first page. Looks good, right? Now, if you want to make it look more interesting like this, you can add some graphic elements to it. To do that, go to Elements and search for the element that suits your story. Then choose the element you like and adjust it on your page like this. See how it made the page look more interesting. In the same way, you can design all the pages of your book. Once all the pages of your books are ready, you can download it as a PDF from here. Looks amazing, right? Now you're all set to start selling your storybook online. So what are you waiting for? Try out these tools from Gravity Write and create your first storybook. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Gravity Write for more such content creation tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.